Hello and welcome to Sketch Together. My name is Pablo Stanley and this is the beginning of a crash course on Flinto for Mac. Flinto is an amazing tool that allows you to create anything from simple tap-through prototypes to more complex interactions and animations. There's no programming or timelines involved, which makes Flinto really easy to use. It also connects with Sketch app smoothly using the Flinto plugin. We're going to learn how to create simple UI animations, connecting screens, and how to use different continuous interactions like scrolling and dragging and paging. So enough talk, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is install the essentials. To install the app, just go to flinto.com/Mac and you will be able to download a trial. And this trial will last for 14 days, or you can buy it for $99. After that, download the Sketch plugin. And also, if you want to preview your prototypes on your phone, you need the iOS Viewer app. Once you download and install Flinto, open it and you'll be able to create a new document. Let's go ahead and do that. When you create a new document, you'll be able to select a device type, the dimensions, and the pixel density. I'm going to select iPhone 6. Here in the UI, you will see that in the middle, you'll have your artboards, all of your designs, and on the top, you'll have all of the tools that are available for you. On the left, all the screens that are available, and all the layers and groups. You can also do search and search for those. And also on the right, you'll see the inspector. The inspector will allow you to change the properties of any element that you have selected. For example, a rectangle. This rectangle, once I have it selected, here on the inspector on the right, I'm able to change the position, the size, rotation, the color, opacity, and other effects. Something cool in the toolbars that you want to probably use is arranging. So for example, I can select these two layers and I can arrange them to the left, horizontally, to the top, vertically, or to the bottom. I'm going to align them vertically. Here in the toolbars, you can also create links. So for example, you can create a link between screens, or you can even draw your own link with this tool. You can also do, if you double click outside, you can create a new artboard. Let's create a simple link. I'm going to create a link from this rectangle to this other screen. And then I can start adding gestures, transitions, and so on. On the top right of your toolbars, you're going to find two buttons that are really useful, the viewer and the preview. The preview allows you to preview your prototype and test it. So for example, here in this square, I added a link to the next screen. So I can test it by tapping on it. You can also record your prototype and change the zoom of it. With the viewer, you'll be able to connect your phone and preview your prototype on your phone. That's it for the basics on Flinto. On the next lectures, we're going to learn how to connect layers, how to connect screens, how to create new transitions, and add really cool effects. So stay tuned.